exercise 15.2 question number 8. We have to construct a rectangle MIKE. Now first draw a rough diagram for this. MIKE. Okay, this MI is given 8 centimeter, IK is 10 centimeter is given. Now we are going to use one property for this, that we are having one property of a rectangle, that opposite sides are parallel and equal. This property we are going to use here. That means opposite of KI would be 10 centimeter, opposite of MI would be 8 centimeter. So what we will do, we'll draw first 10 centimeter line. We are going to start from IK. So this line is IK, 10 centimeter. Okay, now one more property we are going to use here, that what property we are having? We are having that angles of a rectangles are 90 degree. So this one must be 90 degree. Okay, so this one is 90 degree. Now draw a line. This MI and EK is given 8 centimeter. So we are going to take 8 centimeter. Take 8 centimeter. So this one is 8 centimeter. What we will do, put here on I, draw an arc. Put on K, draw an arc. Now join these two lines. So this is nothing but MIKE, a rectangle. This one is 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and this one is 10 centimeter. So we have completed this question. Done.